Yeah, he's up on the other side of the bush.
No, like where you put that, I'm like, have an
Yeah.
advantage.
Oh yeah, because I saw him lay right in the bush.
Oh shit.
If you walk crouched, you can't hear him.
I feel like a retarded
He's in
person
that
because I
bush. He's
can't
in that bush.
hear.
See that bush right in front of me?
Nope.
It's right here.
I'm also not in the same field of view as you guys. Do you see him though?
No, he crouched, so I'm pretty sure he's just on the prone.
Waiting to see where now. Oh, shit.
Here, grenade. Oh, it's me. Yeah, he's checking. He did. I'm gonna come get his fucking ass. I'm pulling my shotgun out. There he goes. He's running.
Oh, I see him. Hold on.
He's in that other bush. Can you guys shoot in the bush?
Yeah.
The
Oh, I
one
can see
behind
him.
the tree that I'm running.
I see him, I see him.
Ah, shit. He knocked me out.
Jim, come on, dude. Can't hit him. Can't know that.
Can't get him.
I require assistance.
I got him. God damn it, Jim. Why didn't you shoot him?
He died. He died instantly.
Yeah, he doesn't have friends. But we could have other people here.
I'm gonna first aid as soon as I'm up.
I almost had a shot on him.
I had a shot on him, but he got me in the head.
I'm
taking this guy out.
Does he have any good armor?
Level 2.
Level 2 vest?
Yeah, I got a suppressor for my AR, dude. Oh, hey, push me.
Oh my gosh.
Guess I'll take some of these fucking bandages,
Oh,
too.
there we go. Level 2 vest.
God, yeah, does anybody have a drink? Oh, we need to... Do any of you have a drink or pills or something? That kid.
I have a first aid kit for him. I have 2 energy drinks.
Give me a first aid kit and an energy drink.
Alright, we need to move.
And run. We need to go. Thank you. Not ask anybody else. It's right on the other side of this rock for you.
God, it sucks to not have audio.
I hear shots. Fire. Oh, I just got hit by somebody really close to me. I don't know where he is. Do you guys see him?
I see him.
Where is he? Oh, you knocked. Oh, he's got a whole team.
Capacitated the one that killed
He
you.
incapacitated him.
Oh,
He
no.
shoot back. Corey.
Where is he?
He is west. He's over behind that tree. 2 of them over there. He's picking up his friend right now. He's right where I'm looking. He's right back there behind the second tree. Bottom right of it. See him?
They're moving.
Oh, it's so tight.
Oh, I can't hear him.
Oh, look to the right.
Moving up.
Oh, I see him.
You should be able to see them.
They got me out.
Oh, the red zoom now. Okay. Okay, come on. Okay.
Oh, shit.
Keep looking around to your right. Somebody, don't go be like back to your right. You know?
Oh, they're.
Are they flanking you?
Yeah.
Run up towards him.
Fuck it.
Okay, please shouldn't fall out and fuck him up.
Yellow this fucker.
He's to your left, behind you.
I couldn't hear shit.
That was fucking fun, dude. See if you can fix your audio, dude. That's for you. I mean, you guys are trolling me now.
Fuck this game, dude.
Yeah. He's like, oh, can you guys hear me?
Nope.